on volume, the first thing I have to teach you how to do real quick is to draw a cube. If you already know how to draw a cube, great. You can draw your own cube, but I'm just going to show you how I draw a cube, and you can follow suit with me. So I'm going to use one line. Okay, notice I'm on one line. I'm going to draw a perfect square, as perfect as I can. So one line, perfect square. Give everybody time to draw that. Okay, I'll keep up. You are going to put your pencil in the center of that square. Notice I put a little dot for you, okay? We're going to start in the center of that square, and I'm going to draw another square about the same size. As close to the same size as I can get. Starting in the middle of that square, I drew another square about the same size. Then, look right here, I'm going to connect the tops, and then I'm going to connect the bottoms. This is a 1 by 1 by 1. This is a 1-inch cube. 1 cubic inch. The reason we need to know this is because we're going to start like packing things. We're going to figure out how many of these will fit inside something. So, like this, for instance, if I had little 1-inch cubes, if I brought a bunch of cubes in here and I was like, how many would fit in here? We could stack them, make them go all the way across, fill up the bottom, stack them, and then we could count them, right? Or you could figure out the volume. But we're starting with how many will fit in first, okay? And then we'll figure out the volume from there. So, we're going to draw another rectangular prism, and it is going to be a little bit longer and larger. I'm going to use 2 lines here to make one, so it's bigger. So notice I've used 2 of my lines, not just 1. I'm going to put a center, in the center of that I'm going to start my other one. I'm going to use 2 lines for that one as well, making it about the same size. And then connect your tops. Connect your bottoms. Now, what I am trying to figure out, let me write the question on here. What I'm trying to figure out is how many how many 1 cubic inches will fit into this shape. How many cubic inches will fit into this shape? Well, if I started taking these shapes and putting them in here, well, let's say that I could fit 3 going across this way. So write a 3 like that. I can fit 3 of those cubes going across. And then back, going this way, I could fit 2. I could fit 2 as the length. And then, let's say I could fit 2 going up and down. So let's look at what that is. So this is one little box. Everybody sees that's a 1 by 1 by 1. That means it's perfect 1, right? Perfect little cube. How many of these 1s can I fit in here? Well, I can fit 3 going this way, right? 1, 2, 3. How many can I fit going back? 2. 1, 2. How many can I fit going up? 1, 2. All right, so based off of that, if I fill it in, I can figure out how many cubes can fit in there. So here, I have 1, 2, 3. How many rows of that do I have?
3.
I have 3, and another one back there. So 2 of those. So how many are on the bottom? 6. And then how many times can I do that? 2 times. So I have 6, and then I have 6 again. So how many can fit in there? 12 can fit in there. Okay, 12 cubes. Okay. Griff said I could just multiply these numbers together. 3 times 2 times 2. Does that give you 12?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, that also works. We're going to talk about why that works. Nice cubes.